Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn how to add a music and edit it on Canva. You can upload your own music here, or you can choose one from Canva. Go to Elements and then Audio. Click See All. Here are the music categories. Let's choose one. Those are free but are with short duration. Let's find another one. Let's choose this song.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Let's play to see how it looks. Now we will add some animation stickers to make it better. Let's play to see how it looks. To edit the music, click down here, and you'll see your music and pages. You can move the music where you want to play. Also click on three dots here to adjust the music from where do you want to play it, like if you want to play from the middle. You can also change the volume of it.
It's your
Here you have also audio effects and so on. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.